Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to recover abandoned checkouts in Shopify, helping you increase your sales. So let's get started. First step is you have to log into your Shopify admin panel. And to do so, just go to your web browser and open a new tab and then enter in the search bar shopify.com. Now, after the website appears, click on Login and enter your account credentials. Or in my case, as I already signed in, I'll be automatically directed to my Shopify dashboard. Now from here, go to the left sidebar, reaching for the, the page to, from here, we can use this page. Now from here, click on Orders here. Here you'll find a list of your orders, including abandoned checkouts. Now, these orders can only appear if you selected and bought a plan. And to do so, you have to click on Select a Plan right here, open it, and then select the plan you want to choose for your Shopify store. You can use the basic one, Shopify one, or the advanced, or if you are rich, you can use the plus one. Now I don't have a subscription for Shopify, but I'll guide you through the steps verbally. So listen carefully. Now after in the orders menu, you'll find a list of all your orders, including abandoned checkouts. Third step is to view abandoned checkouts. Look for the abandoned checkout section. Click on it to see a list of customers who have left items in their cart without completing the purchase. Now, after you that, send recovery emails. Select the abandoned checkout you want to recover. You can send a recovery email by clicking on the Send Email button. It will be visible when you buy a plan here. Now, after that, customize the message if needed to encourage the customer to return and complete their purchase. Now, for the fifth step is you can also automate this process by going to settings, then going to the checkout. Under the abandoned checkout section, enable automated email notification. You can customize the timing and the message here. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover abandoned checkouts in Shopify. This can significantly boost your sales. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.